SNDT, but let me talk about Dr. Divya, the youngest CEO I've met after a long time, doctor as well. And Dr. Divya is the CEO of WISE SNDT. Everybody knows her. Who does not know her is probably sitting in the wrong room. But yes, with a PhD in microbiology, deep expertise in social entrepreneurship, she is nationally and internationally a recognized mentor, consultant, and a motivational speaker. You're going to hear some of that. A recipient of several prestigious awards, including 75 Women Bio-Entrepreneurs in India, World Bank's 30 Under 30. Dr. Rathore is an influence voice in global forums like UNDP, UN Women, and World Youth Development. Dr. Divya, thank you again for letting us be here. And we'd love to hear more about what is happening in this wise world. Please. You want me to put the presentation on?
First of all, everyone, please, I would like everyone to welcome to SNDT University, which has completed 109 years.
Wow.
So you're sitting in a room with Maharishi Karve's photograph, and he was the visionary to start that women should have, its own university. And to a surprise, we were the first one in South Asia. And we are right now also the one in the largest and oldest university of South Asia. Plus, we have 400 plus colleges across India. We are the only university who can actually start any college across India. Though we are in Maharashtra State University, but we can actually open any colleges in across India. Plus, we have 85,000 women now. Before it was 70,000, and now we have 85,000 women students who are studying proudly, and they all are doing amazingly well. They are placed amazingly well. And what I see and why I got associated with this particular, as a CEO of WISE SNDT. So WISE SNDT, WISE itself is Women Incubation Entrepreneurship, where we wanted that women should now, in the digital era, diginaris, entrepreneurs, the entrepreneurship should be in the blood. Because we all women, we can do, we are really good entrepreneurs among ourselves with our house skills, but now it's time to show this to the world that yes, we can actually revolve the world, we can make the economy and India the best, and that too with the exports. Because I have actually joined with She Export. When Ruchita Anuj came to us, we were doing She Export. When I was in T-Hub, there was this ISBA, we have 150 incubators ka hamara ek association hai. I literally went there and I was like, what India is doing. Okay, we can take the best of our ideas, specifically women, as well as men and women together, take that idea and actually get a magazine done, go to the consulates, we can actually do this export, so that because India is, everyone sees India as a market. But now India can be a global, seller too. And that's where when She Export come, I think it's a serendipity, and then when the She Export come, I was like, yes, this actually, meets with my vision of, taking India globally, because I have been to, a lot of countries. I have friends from 168 countries. And now also I'll go to China, and China is doing amazingly. Whenever I go to China, I'm seeing that they're exporting. I was like, when I come to India, I'm like, there has to be someone who can export, and nothing like it in the digital era where women cannot export. Women can export, women can sell, women can, sitting at their homes, they can do everything. Just at the, the SaaS-based product, what we have chosen as a theme of this year, I think we can do amazingly well, and we can show the world what India has. So welcome to She Exports launch. So I've just made a small PPT. Actually, yes, 1 second. Yeah, so about WISE SNDT, of course, we started on 24th of March 2021. We have 3 years old incubation center, and this is only women entrepreneurs. We incubate only women entrepreneurs having 30% and above. So yeah, of course, if any company has men in their companies, we do welcome them. But then the woman has to lead the company. Come on, we have to make leaders. Then we have nationwide access, because we have 400 colleges. So if you tell that, okay, I want to go and, in Goa, we do have a college in Goa. We do have a college in MP. So you can take 400 colleges as your marketing hubs. So we are trying to convert these colleges into small WISE, where you can actually be a product and you can at least go India first, and then go global from that too. We have 12 startups onboarded, 28 events, a lot of things been doing, and we have right now 30 virtual plus physical incubatees. These are our, you can say our backbone. So if you know, if you are in the startup ecosystem, Dr. Ujjwala ma'am, who is our Vice Chancellor, she is the chairperson and director of our Vice SNDT. Mr. Ramanan Ramanathan sir, who is the former first director, mission director of AIM, Atal Innovation Mission. He's our director, he's there to help you out anytime, and he's so passionate about women entrepreneurship, and he's actually putting it across India. And also he's right now the DST chairperson, that is Department of Science and Technology. We have Vishram Bapat sir here, our backbone. Thank you so much sir for being here. We have Shashikant Chaudhary, a very visionary leader. Mr. Sachin Devre sir, Dinesh Girap sir, who has been from Wise SNDT. They are at a very premium, principal position where they can help you out with all the SNDT resources. This is one of the resource. जैसे अनुज सर ने बोला दूर दूर तक देखो तो हमारी ज़मीन फैली हुई है. So वहाँ पे हम बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं और specifically women के लिए ही करना चाहते हैं. So you all can take the benefits of this particular institute where you can grow, you can nurture, and the backbone will be there with you. Miss Hanisha Vaswani, who is the founder of Majority Fund, she is one of the investors. She has a fund. And Mr. Anand Deshpande, the first billionaire of India, who has recently joined us as a director, and he is the MD of Persistent System, and he also runs the Astra Foundation, which is a pre-incubation of a pre-incubation center for all the students. And our Vishram Bapat sir also runs Innovari, which is there for all the students as a pre-incubation. These are the board of advisors. So we have advisors from across. So I've been on UNDP, UN Women, and a lot of other platforms. We took the advantage of getting all the national and international mentors on board. So if you want to go global, if you need anyone, please do let us know. We'll be there. So you can say Miss Yaki is from UNDP. Then we have Willpower Harris, which is very famous on Instagram. Dr. Rajan sir, who is the IFS officer, and he has been across the world. So yes, anyone, anytime. Mr. Hari is also there. He is one of our unicorn of India. He's also mentoring. If you have any IT products, you can go and you can come and we can give the mentoring to them. The incubatees, you can see the names. They are just our seeds. They are our babies which are growing here. We have a lot of pre-incubatees. A lot of them, we just launched Ideathon, where we had around 900 women students participating, and we gave 1.75 lakh as a prize money to them on 8th of March 2025 right now itself. The success stories, they're amazing. I think when women goes and tries to do something, they do it with very passionate. I have been across the world. I have seen a lot of startups. Most of the startups fail, but then these women do revenue. They focus on revenue. I have seen women doing amazing revenue. Today we were having she was about to come, but I think because of her husband has got some problem out there. She is making 283 crores. She is one of our incubatee. 283 crores, and that to profit plus. So she's a profitable company making 283 crores as a revenue, and she's looking after some investments and everything. But we have such success stories. We have connection with HPCL, who is ready to give their resources to all the women entrepreneurs. So now it's time for women to stand and ask what they want, and there will be offered to you, because world is trying to give you everything. You just have to ask what you want. So we have all the revenue making. ER Earth has actually started HPCL contracts. She has filters, so she's putting it across their petrol pumps. Then we have the incubation model. We have changed our model, so now anyone can become our incubatee. This is a minimal fees which we take. We have a huge, amazing, incubation center with all the space, electricity, and everything. And at Juhu, very premium place where you can actually go across Mumbai. So yes, please welcome everyone. Please come to Wise SNDT to explore that particular place. We offer a lot of mentorship, guidance, tailored guidance, global exposure. We just yesterday itself we actually did Chanakya AI. We partnered with them. So now, if you're alone, because women entrepreneurs, sometimes they start alone with this all. So you have a AI, which can, be your power. आपका शस्त्र बन सकता है वो. आपको CMO चाहिए, CTO चाहिए, CFO चाहिए, everything is there. So we offer that from yesterday we did a MOU, we're starting that on 24th April. So our incubatees are getting that offer. We have mentoring, investments, licensing, approval, anything you need. We are there for you because we are passion driven. Whatever you will ask, we will try to give our best to, get the things working. We offer multiple opportunities. So I'm connected with a lot of global opportunities. We have around 800 opportunities. I have air tables for that. We give you that and we encourage you to apply to all the opportunities because India में ऐसा होता है कि वो लोग apply नहीं कर रहे हैं. बहुत सारे लोगों को वो links जा रहा है because the digital world is there. They are not even, you just have to sit and you just have to apply. After like 100 applications, because I have been my entrepreneur myself, I used to have 100 applications मैं form करती थी, 5 तो click होता ही था. So you to have, and you just have to copy paste. एक word में लिख दो, 10 application के बाद सब application same ही लगता है. Just copy paste it. Okay, and you can apply to multiple opportunities across the world. सिर्फ घर पे बैठकर. Just you have to do that. Like this is the power of the digital era. So I don't know why they are not doing it, but do it because I want to see more Indians and representing India outside India. So we offer that and I push them and I tell them to just please apply or take interns and just copy paste everything. These are the glimpses of events and we are so happy to start She Export today and launch it. And I want to be with this journey across, even in season 3, season 4, season 5. Even if I'm not here, but I'll be there with She Exports because it's something what I really dreamt of. Thank you so much for having us, and we welcome you all. Vice SNDT welcome you all, and we are here to empower women. Actually, women is already empowered, but their businesses, and it is like a seed, and let us be the soil, the perfect soil for that particular seed, so that we can nourish it and we can empower that soil and we can become a tree. Yes, with all the fruits given. Thank you so much.